2018
Mercedes-Benz SLC.
With less than 12,000 miles on the odometer, this coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. Experience the difference with these exceptional built-in comfort and convenience features. Side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, turbocharged engine, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, power driver seat, power passenger seat, convertible hardtop, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist, roll bars, keyless entry. Get into the car of your dreams today. Visit us.